balita na talagang nakalungkot, sumindak sa akin habang ako'y nasa Hong Kong, ay ang balita po na naghiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic Roque. I'm talking about Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque. Bea is a good friend. I have known Dom when he was still a very young boy playing badminton. So ako'y nalungkot ho talaga dahil madalas pag nagkikita kami ni Bea ay nagkakakwentuhan ho kami tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa kanila, their marriage plans, etc. So I was shocked na tama si Ogie Diaz po, si kaibigang Ogie nung kanyang balita na hiwalay na. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Sinusuyo ba si Bea? Are they still trying to talk? Siguro. Maaari. Dahil sino ba naman ang ayaw maayos ang ganitong klase ng problema? As a matter of fact, from good sources,